Today I got a shipment from Nike.com that I ordered online. You can see cool. It's pretty cool. It says "Just Do It" on the tape. These are the Nike Air Force 1 07 Crafts. I'm going to be unboxing them and showing you guys what they look like in person. I don't think you can ever have too many pairs of Air Force 1s, and I thought these were pretty cool. With Air Force 1s, I've never had like a regular pair. These are only, here, I'll show them. I have these Air Force 1s. They have like snakeskin on them. I thought they were pretty cool. But if I'm gonna get a pair of Air Force 1s, I want ones with like a little bit of something different, like on the swooshes. So besides them just being plain. So I'm gonna be opening up this box. I don't have scissors, so I'm gonna use a skate tool. That didn't work. Use this box cutter. There we go. Here's the Nike box. There's Nike Air Force 1 on it. Check out the shoes. They're pretty clean. They have a really nice feel to them. It's like some kind of tumbled leather, it looks like, but it's almost like snakeskin. And it has this like suede, like tumbled suede type of material on the back. It's pretty cool, and it has a little, it says the Nike logo and it says AF1 there. You can see it's pretty cool. I'm not gonna wear these shoes probably for a long time, just because they're so clean, like the way they look. I don't really have anywhere to wear them right now since I'm in quarantine, but once I do, definitely these will match with anything since they're white and they're pretty clean. So yeah.